Hey everyone, this is Gleb Bakhmutov, and today I want to show you how to verify all the results returned by, let's say, a look ahead. So if I type into this box, notice it's the start of text, and it finds all American states that start with letters MI. And our task is to wait for the results to come in and then verify that each result starts with letters MI. And the case doesn't matter, right? So uppercase Michigan is the same as lowercase mi. Okay, let me move it to the left. My code editor is on the right. Let's type into this input with name. So I'm gonna get the element with attribute name equals to state, and we can type mi. Okay, we can see the results appearing after a small delay. So our search results are in unordered list with an ID. So let's get this list. So search results li. Now this will retry until the results appear and it exists. And now we need to look at the text of each li element. So we can take these elements and use map inner text query from Cypress Map plugin, and that gives us an array of strings. So let's print this. Notice Michigan, Minnesota, and so on. What we can do now, we can have an assertion that says, okay, these are strings, and we can say each string, so this is a name. We can say expect name, and we don't even need a message because it's kind of clear from the name of a state, which state we're checking. And we say expect name to match and then give regular expression. And so it needs to start with mi, and we're gonna ignore the case. Okay, so notice right here Michigan matches, Minnesota matches, regular expression, Mississippi and Missouri. I like it. I think this is pretty good test. If anyone has written this test, I would accept it as a code review. We can optimize this slightly. So notice right here we're going through each string, and each string should match regular expression using toMatch assertion. And if you look at the support file in this project, I have a plugin called chai each. And that allows us to write a shorthand for chai assertions. So notice right here we wrote names for each and then assertion to match. So now we can express it in a shorter way. So we can say each to match, and then this is just the regular expression, and right here, that's it, right? So we say that in this string array subject, each element should match the regular expression. And we can remove two because it's just a connector, doesn't have any specific meaning, and I think this reads better, should each match and the regular expression. Whereas one kind of tricky point, notice it only shows the last string value. So our array has 4 strings, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, and so on, but it shows the last assertion. And in fact, it actually checks each string. So if I, for example, make a mistake and instead of Michigan say Michigan, notice it fails with the first string. It does test each value, it just shows the last result or last assertion only. So just keep this in mind. It will check everything, it will just show a result for the last value. Okay, so chai each plugin, I think it's pretty powerful. It allows you to write much shorter tests when you deal with arrays of values.